Hello, all. Welcome to Study Table. Our today's topic is misunderstandings about CRM, that is, Customer Relationship Management. And what is it? Let's understand. CRM is basically a business strategy which integrates internal business processes and functions with external networks to create and deliver value to targeted customers, of course, at profit. In short, CRM is a customer related data using such a way in favor of business. Okay? If talking about our today's topic, so there is a lot of misunderstandings or myth we can say about CRM is there, which misleads journal public as well as business professionals. So in this lecture, we will try to replace some of the myth with the facts about CRM in our minds. Okay? So here we go. The very first misunderstanding about CRM is it is a marketing process only. Yes, it is a marketing tool, but only a marketing tool? No. CRM has its extent beyond this. In any organization, there is multiple departments, right? And CRM is all about customer data, correct? And this data is used not only by the marketing department, but also almost each and every department. Like for example, research and development department needs customer data to innovate or modify products as per their requirements. HR department, human resource department, needs customer data so they can hire and train people accordingly as they are going to interact with customers, right? This is how almost every department needs CRM. So it is totally wrong to say that CRM is a marketing process only. Next myth is CRM is a database marketing. Firstly, let's clear this. What is database? So in database, business gather information about the customers from various sources. And on the computers, these data are checked, sort, merged, and stored in data warehouse, which is very important for CRM. But it is just not the whole story. CRM is a broader concept. It's just not simply store and analyze the data, but also smartly use it in managing customer relationship throughout their journey. Now, coming on the next myth is that CRM is an IT issue. Giving the credit of successful CRM alone to IT, computers, technology, and softwares are totally wrong. No doubt, IT is a very crucial and important aspect of CRM, but it's not alone. At the same time, people and processes also play equally crucial and important role in CRM. With the hi-fi and updated information technology and software, we also require trained and educated employees to execute CRM strategies and make it successful with combined efforts and contributions. Now we'll move to the next, which is CRM is only about loyalty schemes. See, in loyalty schemes, to make customer loyal towards the company or product, company makes all possible efforts for repeat purchases by giving them offers and all. Basically, it focuses more on old customers, right? Where CRM goes beyond this. By lead generations, customer services, relationship building, customer interaction, sales, understanding their needs, gets the feedback and experiences from them across the entire customer lifecycle. Understood? Then we have CRM is expensive and unaffordable by small enterprises. This is purely a misconception. Nowadays, many softwares and IT applications with simple and limited functions are available, and its operations are very easy, which do not require even any expensive IT professionals. So, this all things have been introduced to provide CRM at an affordable prices, which can be easily used by small scale enterprises. Another misunderstanding about CRM is that it is an one-time project or activity. We all know market is a dynamic place where demand and supply, customer taste and preferences, their needs and requirements, trends and fashion are continuously changing. So there is a need for continuous implementation, evaluation, monitoring, and improving CRM strategies as well. It is a continuous process, not an one-time activity. Next myth is return on investment of CRM activities are very poor. Well, that's not true. In fact, people expect quick returns on CRM activities and often disappoint or misjudge the results. People have to understand that CRM takes time, especially in today's competitive era and in this rapidly changing environment. Professionals have to be patient and wise while calculating returns on CRM activities, which can be seen in long run. Moving towards another misconception, which is people believes CRM alone solves all customer issues. Firstly, we human beings has unlimited wants and similarly unlimited problems. We never satisfy. We never settle, correct? Sometimes we even don't know what we want or what thing is troubling us. We are that much confused creature, right? So CRM is just a tool. Yes, very effective tool which can solve many of the customer problems, but not all. Relying wholly and solely on CRM for all the customer related problems leads disappointment. As our personal same size clothes cannot fit us in every age, right? So we cannot sell same size cloth to every customer, right? Obviously, customers are different in taste and preferences. They are different in their needs and requirements. They are different in their sizes, color, complexion, perception, and all. So we cannot just make one uniform CRM strategy and apply it on all. We have to go for customized and personalized services. Then last but not the least, myth will take is CRM is a magic box which automatically accelerate the sales. As we know now, CRM takes time. It is a long-term journey. It is an effective, valuable tool that helps salespeople in sales growth by organizing customer data and streamline sales processes, allowing them to be more effective and all. Means CRM is not a sales generator which automatically increase sales on its own, but it is a supportive tool. Okay. So this all is for today. Hope you all understood the topic well. We'll meet soon with a new topic, new concept. Till then, Study Table wishes you all the very best.